Where's Lucy?
I have tennis lessons at 9 o'clock. Bye.
Bye, Lucy. See you at the basketball game. It's 9 o'clock. Go and get books. Where's Lucy?
She plays tennis at 9 o'clock. Look, Atomic's got a book. Meow.
Lucy isn't here. Does she play tennis at 10 o'clock? No, she doesn't. She skateboards at 10 o'clock.
Einstein can sing.
Lucy still isn't here. Where is she?
She doesn't watch TV at 11 o'clock. She roller skates. Atomic can see the fish on TV. Meow. I love basketball.
Oh no, Lucy isn't here. Where is she?
We don't know. Look! Lucy's under the tree. I think she's tired.
Yes, she plays tennis, she skateboards, and she roller skates. Let's have lunch under the tree.
Good idea.
We can help.
Look at Einstein and Atomic. Hello. It's a picnic. Thank you, everyone. Picnics are fun.
Hey, Einstein. That isn't a ball. It's my apple.